Introducing the Hardy Roof Tieback System, a readily available over-the-counter product that has been thoroughly engineered, tested, and approved to meet all code requirements. This product is easily installed by the framer during the course of construction, eliminating delays to your project. The Hardy Roof Tieback device typically attaches to two support beams and two blocks, the sizes of which are determined by the engineer of record. Any additional blocking, fastening of beam ends, and/or strapping adjacent to the unit are at the discretion of the engineer. First, mark the tieback support beam locations onto the top plates while detailing them. Make certain that 14.5 inches is left between the beams. After the walls are framed and tied off, set the support beams onto the layout marks. Proceed with the joisting operations, making sure that one of the beams falls on the joist layout. This will save roof sheeting. When joists are complete, install blocking. Attach 4 Ticos as shown to one side of each block. Measure from the outside wall to find the center location of the device. Install 4x blocks or larger between the beams 14.5 inches apart, making sure the Ticos are on the outside of the opening. The openings will always be 14.5 by 14.5. Install 2x blocking, a minimum of 2 bays at 4 locations. Align the 2x blocking with the outside edge of the 4x blocks. When joisting and blocking operations are complete, finish sheeting the roof. While sheeting, cut out a 19 by 19 inch opening at each location. This allows the tieback device to set directly on the beams and blocks. Pull up the plywood piece and lay it down at a 45-degree angle over the opening and tack down corners for safety. This also makes it easier to find each headout location later. Using a dolly, spread each device to each location. Pull up the tacked down plywood piece and install the tieback device into the opening provided. To do this, insert a pipe into the eyelet to lift and set down into the opening. Again, strapping is at the discretion of the engineer. Make sure the eyelet is perpendicular to the outside of the wall. You can start rip strips and slope joists once the tieback units are set into place. More often than not, the 16-inch long tieback device will extend the required 8 inches above the roof sheeting. When the sloping members adjacent to the device exceed 7.5 inches, the 24 or 32-inch device will be available. The Hardy tieback device is fastened from the underside. Just fill the 24 provided holes with 3-inch SDS screws and the installation is complete. The Hardy Roof Tieback System can be purchased at any HD Whitecap Supply location.